Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy healthy blueberry smoothie recipe, ideal as a healthy breakfast in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in 3/4 cup filtered water, a handful or about 6 to 7 soaked cashew nuts. Instead of cashew nuts, you can use soaked and peeled almonds or any nut of your choice. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Chia seeds are an excellent source of protein, fiber and omega-3 healthy fats. Half cup thick curd of your choice. I'm using vegan curd. I have already shared 4 different plant-based curd recipes. You can check them out. If you don't have any issues with dairy, you can use dairy milk curd instead of vegan curd. 1 cup fresh blueberries. If you would like the smoothie to be thick, you can also use frozen blueberries instead of fresh blueberries. For flavor, I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder and I'm going to blend all this really well. Pour the blended smoothie onto a serving glass. Drizzle in a teaspoon of peanut butter. I'm using unsweetened peanut butter. Now, if you prefer, you can use dates in this recipe as a sweetener. You can also use maple syrup instead of dates. For an added crunch, I'm adding in 2 walnuts. I'm just simply crushing it with my hand and topping it over the smoothie. I'm garnishing it with some blueberries. Lastly, I'm sprinkling in a fat pinch of cinnamon powder. And my super healthy blueberry smoothie is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy blueberry smoothie and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.